Hi dear students, in this video we are going to discuss the problems, 2 to 3 questions I will explain, important for very short answer type questions in intermediate, whether it is in Telangana or Andhra. This type of problems based on tan of a plus b, tan of a minus b, which are very important. Listen carefully. First question, prove that tan 70 minus tan 20 equal to tan 250, tan 2 into tan 50 degrees. So here by observing in LHS tan 70 minus tan 20. So 70 minus 20 separately you have to consider. That value equal to 50 only, no? So consider in the solution step, consider 70 minus 20 is equal to 50. That we know that. Taking tan on both sides, applying tan on both sides. Taking tan on both sides. So tan of 70 degrees minus 20 degrees is equal to tan 50 degrees. Tan of a minus b formula, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So that implies that tan 70 degrees minus tan 20 degrees divided by 1 plus tan 70 degrees into tan 20 degrees is equal to tan 50 degrees. After getting up this step, we will move to one important point. In previous sessions also I discussed that if the angles, sum of the angles A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, then tan A into tan B is equal to 1. By observing in this question, tan 70 into tan 20, where A plus B, 70 plus 20 equal to 90. Therefore, A plus B equal to 90, then tan A tan B value goes to be 1 only, no? So, this value goes to be 1 in the next step by using this property. So, now tan 70 minus tan 20 divided by 1 plus 1, since by using this property, which is equal to tan 50. So, tan 70 minus tan 20 is divided by 2 equal to tan 50. So cross multiply, tan 70 degrees minus tan 20 degrees is equal to 2 into tan 50 degrees. Hence proved. We'll move to the next question like these questions. The next question. What is the value of tan 20 plus tan 40 plus root 3 into tan 20 into tan 40? So here 20 plus 40, we know that 60. Now consider 20 plus 40 is equal to 60 degrees. Taking tan on both sides or applying tan on both sides. So tan of 20 plus 40 is equal to tan 60. That implies that tan of a plus b formula, tan 20 plus tan 40 is divided by 1 minus tan 20 into tan 40 is equal to tan 60 is root 3. Now cross multiply tan 20 plus tan 40 is equal to root 3 into 1 minus tan 20 into tan 40. So tan 20 equal to sorry, tan 20 plus tan 40 equal to root 3 into 1 is root 3 minus root 3 into tan 20 into tan 40. So that minus value, we are this complete value I am taking into the LHS. Therefore, we will get tan 20 plus tan 40. That minus value, whatever the content in the minus value, we are taking this side. Minus, it will become this side plus tan 20 into tan 40 is equal to root 3. Therefore, the value of tan 20 plus tan 40 plus root 3 into tan 20 into tan 40 is root 3. Therefore, the value of that one is root 3. We will move to the next question. The next question. Find the value of tan 56 minus tan 11 minus tan 56 into tan 11. Observing the angles 56 and 11, the difference of these two equal to 45 degrees only, no? So, consider 56 degrees minus 11 degrees equal to 45. Now, taking tan on both sides. So, that implies that tan of 56 minus 11 degrees equal to tan 45. Tan of A minus B formula, tan 56 minus tan 11 divided by 1 plus tan 56 into tan 11 is equal to tan 45 value is 1. So cross multiply. Tan 56 minus tan 11 is equal to 1 plus tan 56 into tan 11. These values we can take this side, tan 56 and tan 11. Why? Because minus is there, no? We can take this side. Tan 56 minus tan 11 minus tan 56 into tan 11 is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of tan 56 minus tan 11 minus tan 56 into tan 11 is equal to 1. We'll move to the next question. The next question. Prove that tan 72 degrees equal to tan 18 plus 2 tan 54. Don't expect that every question will be direct question. Here, some of them or difference of them is going to get another value. So, it is not possible here. So, consider here 54 plus 18 is 72. Is okay. But here 2 times of tan 54 is there. So, 54 we can write it as 72 minus 18. In this way it will go, we will get the answer. Now consider 54 degrees is equal to 72 minus 18. Now taking tan on both sides, tan 54 degrees equal to tan 72 degrees minus 18 degrees. Applying tan on both sides. So tan 54 degrees is equal to tan of A minus B formula. So tan 72 minus tan 18 divided by 1 plus tan 72 into tan 18. After reaching of this step, again in the first problem in this class, we have the formula. If A plus B is equal to 90, then tan A into tan B is equal to 1. So here 72 plus 18 equal to 90. So we can write it as this value goes to be 1. So tan 54 is equal to tan 72 degrees minus tan 18 degrees divided by 1 plus 1. Cross multiply, 1 plus 1 is 2. So tan 54 degrees equal to tan 72 degrees minus tan 18 degrees divided by 2. Cross multiply, 2 tan 54 degrees is equal to tan 72 degrees minus tan 18. So here minus tan 18 degrees we can take this side, we will get the required answer tan 72. Therefore, tan 72 degrees equal to minus tan 18 you can take this side. That means 2 times of tan 54 degrees plus tan 18. Therefore, conclusion step for tan 72 degrees is equal to first small value tan 18 plus 2 tan 54 degrees. Hence proved. So now in this class we learn that the problems based on tan of a plus b and tan of a minus b problems we discussed. Thank you all. If you have any doubts in this regard, you can write to my comment box in my YouTube channel, Maths with Panindra. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you all.